Hello Internet video viewing world, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have a box opening video. Of the Firefly Borealis Illuminated keyboard. On the front of the box we have a picture of the item. We have the company name. On the bottom of the box we have, I don't know, basically nothing, UPC. On the side and the other side, not really much to see there. On the back, it gives it a big picture and then close-up pictures of the item itself. Some features, and anyway, let's open this up. And see what we get. Get the keyboard. That is a thin keyboard. Wow. And important instructions. Be sure to read those. We get brief little descriptions of the hotkeys, operating instructions, probably install of the driver disk. I'll see if there's updated drivers, and if there are, I'll post the link, and basically the installation and how to plug it in. And we have the warranty information, and we have the health warning, so be careful when you operate the keyboard. It's USB. And let me grab this here. Alright, on the back there is no stands, the flip stands. It's like almost like a laptop type feel, and you can hear that me typing. Somewhat quiet. We have power light. We have sleep button, back, forward, favorites, refresh, zoom, home, mail, calculator. What is that? Oh, my computer, music, play, pause, rewind, forward, stop, mute. A turn dial for volume, 12 function keys, print, screen scroll lock, pause, delete, number pad, arrow keys. It's plastic. And there we go. There is the box opening video of the Firefly Borealis Illuminated keyboard. I'll have a much more detailed review to follow. And thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks.